so now we gotta make sure we don't get knocked from the rock, but other than that, we should be good. We gotta watch out for waves, rogue waves, because if they hit us, we're fucking dead. But yeah, this should be fun. We're getting the line going. We're gonna try to catch some fish, and what a fucking view.
A few moments later.
Alright, we just got rocked off the fucking... hit by a wave and knocked off. We're trying to get our shit. Oh man, what the fuck. Whew. I'm all cut up. I'm so lucky I held onto the rock long enough. Like, I didn't see the wave and he said I heard protect the beer, and then boom. Hopefully these guys are alright. Alright, we all survived, but we're all fucked up. Very fucked up. Show your back. We're all... I don't think anything's broken, but it could just be running off adrenaline.